Hello everyone, I'm Rich Noonan for Best of the Best Television, a program in which we travel all over America in search of our nation's best businesses. And we have found one of them today. Today on Best of the Best, the Roofer 911 story. Congratulations to the entire team at Roofer 911 in McLean, Virginia, on this national honor from Best of the Best, and more importantly, for delivering world-class customer service and outstanding craftsmanship to the people of Northern Virginia since 2005, with about 45 years of experience by the owner. At Best of the Best, we never tell a company owner that we are profiling that company. We simply begin our research on any company the same way that most customers would these days. We read every word on the company website, everything we can find online about that company, and if we like what we see, we proceed with a full review. We love the Roofer 911 story. Roofer 911 is a very interesting company. The owner is Steve Briesmeister. He's been in roofing for well over 4 decades, and our research shows that Steve could surely teach the course for most roofers in America about infrared leak detection, and then repairing that leak the right way once he finds it. Steve is well known in this part of the country as the guy to call when people have leaky roofs. He uses a great mix of high-tech infrared technology and old-world experience. Steve does not have to go up on roofs anymore. He's got a thriving business, but he loves to do it. Fixing a leaky roof is Steve's passion, always has been, and it really shows in this company's reviews. Customers love this guy and his company. Roofer 911 is one of the most positively reviewed roofing companies in the country. We found over 400 reviews on this company on credible websites such as Angie's List, Google+, Yelp, and many others. They're Angie's List Super Service Award winners. They had an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau when we reviewed them and had for many years. In fact, they had 10 positive reviews on the BBB site when we reviewed this company. We almost never see that. People usually only contact the BBB to complain. Not with these guys. When you read as many reviews as we did about Roofer 911, a real story of service emerges. One customer after another simply raving about the honesty, the integrity, and the skill displayed by Steve and the Roofer 911 team every single day. Aside from being roofing leak detection experts, the Roofer 911 team does full roof replacement and lots of fantastic gutter replacement. It drives Steve crazy when he drives around and sees so many homes with terrible gutters. He understands that the gutters have to be pitched perfectly, fastened correctly, they have to be the right size, or they cause huge problems for home and business owners. Chances are that if you have old gutters, you could probably use some help from Roofer 911. Make that call, get those gutters inspected now. You might be surprised at what you hear about your own gutters. Roofer 911 offers same-day roof leak detection and repair, next-day gutter replacement. It's unheard of. They don't mess around. When they get a call, they get there. When it comes to ice dams, Roofer 911 goes above and beyond. Steve grew up and spent much of his career in New York. He knows way more than most about ice dams, which can literally destroy a person's home if not taken care of fast. The other thing we love about Roofer 911 is that Steve and his wife Lana, their very experienced team, are good people according to our research. At Best of the Best, we really value companies that give back. The Roofer 911 team has given back to many people and organizations over the years. They truly care about the communities they serve. Congratulations to Steve and the entire team at Roofer 911 on this national honor from Best of the Best, and more importantly, for doing business the right way every single day with roots dating back almost half a century. Roofer 911, superior workmanship, guaranteed satisfaction. Congratulations, everyone. You earned it.